What's up, everyone? I just wanted to inform you, especially my people in California, that the Hurricane Odile is extremely dangerous and has made history by becoming the strongest hurricane on record to make landfall on Mexico's Baja California peninsula. According to the National Hurricane Center, Odile made landfall about 10:45 p.m. near Cabo San Lucas with a maximum sustained winds of 125 miles per hour. Guys, take a look at the video. You can see how strong it is. This is unbelievable. Guys, thumbs up if you hate hurricanes. I want to hear your comments down below. Also, remember you can follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook on Time the Show. Visit our website, ontimetheshow.com. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe over here. Subscribe. Also follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. You can also click here, right there. Also visit our website, ontimetheshow.com. It's also here. You can feel free to click there. And our last videos are right here, in that corner over here. And if you're watching from a mobile device, all the links are on the description. Thank you so much for watching. This is On Time.